Hello, my name is Nginx. Today I'm going to show you how to install erxes using Docker Compose. So let's get started. First, you need to connect to your server. First, you need to install Docker Compose, which is I already installed on my server. So I want to go through how to install Docker Compose part. Also, you need the Nginx web server. Okay, so all Docker Compose runs from Docker Compose.yaml file. So I'm going to generate one Docker Compose file from this script I recently created. We'll soon update docs.erxes.io with this script, so you guys can use this for future erxes deployment. This needs some little modification for better experience. For now, it works fine. So what it does, it asks your domain name. So for today's video, I'm going to use youtube.erxes.io as domain. So it asks your Mongo password. So for Mongo password, I'm using erxes. Sorry, that was username. Now this is password. So this created the Docker Compose file. You can see from here. So as you can see here, the Docker Compose file generated for youtube.erxes.io. So let's copy this one to our server. You can use this cp command, but I'm a bit lazy. So Compose. Oh, it's already here. We can just remove Compose. Create new one with our copied Docker Compose file. So now we have Docker Compose. So now we need Nginx configuration file, which I already have one. Okay, I will show you guys later. And now we need to pull all images and start all containers. So it's done. If you want to see all processes related to Docker Compose, you can see it right here. So after the fresh started Elasticsearch, it throws error that shows us access denied. You can see here by showing Elasticsearch log. It's not up yet. So as you can see here, it shows access denied exception because it doesn't have proper user group and permission. So just remove Elasticsearch from your container list and remove the Elasticsearch data file like this. Now create by your user. Search data and load. now you have to remove Elasticsearch with Syncer as well. So after that you have to see the log of Elasticsearch to see it works fine or not. So it's working fine, no errors. After that you might want to see the API log. From here you can see Mongo error. It can't connect to Mongo instantly because we don't have any primary in our Mongo, so you need to initiate it first. For that you have to get Mongo URL, only admin part, because we don't have replication sets, right? So to initiate Mongo, you have to go to Mongo container. To do that, use following command: docker exec -mongo so rs.initiate will do it. So we have primary set. Now we have to restart all erxes related containers. Docker start erxes API, erxes workers. This erxes is our UI container. Also erxes API is all main functions in it. Erxes worker does import exporting. Also erxes integrations, erxes automations. Takes some time, depends on your server performance. After the registration, all Mongo connection errors will be gone. After that you have to configure Nginx. Now only Engage is left. Okay, it's done. Now let's see API log. Oops. So it says connected. Now Nginx parts. So I already created the Nginx file in here. Also I will attach to description section. Also I secured this Nginx with certbot certificate. Also this part is redirects all HTTP requests to HTTPS. Now all looks good. Let's check our newly deployed erxes. Okay, it's done. As you can see here, this is initial configuration step which creates the admin account. Let's create one for YT from access here I'm going to choose my priority email. Password. Okay, it's done. Please log into our newly deployed erxes.io. So that's all. If you guys have any questions, you can create new topic in GitHub discussion section. We will answer it as soon as we see it. Also, we have Discord, so in there we can give you some live supports. That's all. Thanks for watching.